We are like less than a minute away from Liam's house. This kid's in for a really good surprise.
I'm Allie from 4Patriots, and we are gathered in a parking lot down the street from young Liam's house. Liam turned 12 today, and we're about to totally surprise him with a front yard birthday party.
Hi, I'm Kathy Stuffelbein. I'm the Director of Operations of a Soldier's Child Foundation. What we do is honor the children of fallen American defenders of freedoms by honoring their birthdays, camps, and scholarships. I'm very excited for today. His mom has kept it a secret, so he doesn't even know all of us are coming to enjoy this day with him. The service that we provide these kids is so important. They get a birthday box every year from the age of 0 to 18, and it honors their fallen loved one. It makes the children know their loved ones are not forgotten, they're not forgotten, and that the American citizens do care about them.
Liam, honey, did something happen?
You doing okay today?
Yes, sir.
Hey, I need you to come outside with me. Okay. You been in trouble at school?
No, sir.
No? Okay. You got some shoes, man?
No, I don't. They're right outside the door.
Okay. I need you to go in. Come on.
Okay.
Just follow him out there.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Liam. Happy birthday to you.
Major Benny Romero of Joint Base Lewis McChord, Washington, and formerly of Killeen, Texas, died at the age of 38. Benny joined the Army when he was 18 as a reservist and picked up his airborne badge. In 2006, he transitioned jobs and became a civil affairs officer in special operations. Benny had 2 Bronze Stars and numerous awards. Benny is survived by his wife, Christine, and their 2 children, Liam and Grace. 1977 to 2015. Benny loved a short story called A Message to Garcia by Elbert Hubbard. This short story meant so much to him that he bought a copy in December 2010 before he deployed a second time to Afghanistan and wrote on the front page a note to Liam in case anything happened to him. Some of what Benny wrote to his 1-year-old son Liam was, "I want the very best in life for you. This small book says so very much. Always be a good man and get the job done." Benny believed to make a difference in this world, your actions had to matter. He was willing to shed blood, sweat, and tears into making this country safer and better for future generations. Benny died when Liam was 6, but he was always so proud of him. Benny was in Bangladesh when Christina went into labor. He flew 48 hours to try to be there for the birth, but missed it. When he saw Liam for the first time, he said, "How can we make something so perfect?" He was very nervous to hold him for the first time. He missed much of Liam's growing up years because of deployments and training, but every time he came home, he was so amazed by Liam. He would always say, "My son is going to be so much better than me. He is going to be smarter, kinder, and stronger than I ever will be." Benny is looking down on Liam and is so proud of his son and the man he is. We love you.
When Kathy called me and said, "Hey, there's someone who wants to sponsor a birthday party for him," and I thought, that's so amazing because they don't even know us.
It made me feel wonderful that a soldier's child really loves me and other families that have lost a dad like me. And it makes me feel really good about what they're doing.
At 4Patriots, we champion freedom and self-reliance, And we recognize that we wouldn't enjoy any of our American freedoms without the heroic sacrifices of our military servicemen and women. And that's why we support organizations like A Soldier's Child. We want the children of our fallen servicemen and women to know that we love them and we see them and we appreciate them. So that's why this month we are tripling our regular monthly donation to A Soldier's Child in honor of Memorial Day.